Hey, superstars! Have you ever seen a bird so beautiful it looks like it stepped right out of a fairy tale? Get ready to be dazzled! We're talking about the Indian Peafowl, the magnificent bird famous for its shimmering blue neck and giant, spectacular tail. Did you know this is India's national bird? Grab your magnifying glass. Let's dive into 50 amazing facts about the one and only peacock. General and identification facts. The peafowl is the national bird of India. Only the male is called a peacock. The female is a peahen, and the species as a whole is called peafowl. The scientific name for the Indian peafowl is Pavo cristatus. Peafowl can live for a relatively long time, often reaching 20 years in the wild. There are three main species: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. Indian peafowl are native to India and Sri Lanka. Peafowl are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Appearance and beauty. Only the male peacock has the long, colorful, iridescent tail feathers called a train. A full train can have over 200 individual feathers. Each feather in the train has a striking eye-like spot called an ocellus. When the peacock opens his tail, it's called displaying or fanning. Peahens do not have a fancy train. They are generally duller with brown and gray feathers for better camouflage. The male peacock's neck is covered in brilliant, shimmering blue feathers. A fully grown peacock, including his train, can measure up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters long. Their bright colors aren't due to pigment, but to the microscopic structure of their feathers, which reflects light, iridescence. Dance and communication. Peacocks display their huge tails primarily to attract female peahens for mating. Peafowl mainly search for food during the early morning and late afternoon. They are social birds and often live in small groups called parties, usually with 10 to 15 birds. The sound a peacock makes is called a call or screaming, a gaithal in Tamil. They can make between 11 and 14 different types of vocalizations. They often call loudly to warn other animals in the jungle about a potential predator. Peafowl prefer to sleep in the tops of tall trees at night for safety. They are very fast runners on the ground. Diet and habitat. Peafowl mostly live in open forests and farmland areas. Their diet includes fruits, grains, and seeds. They also eat small creatures like snakes, lizards, insects, and mice. Peafowl are helpful to farmers because they eat pests like rats and insects. Peacocks are known for their ability to fight and defeat small venomous snakes. 18. The peahen chooses a mate based on the size and quality of the peacock's display. Peahens usually lay between 3 to 6 eggs in a nest made on the ground. The female peahen does all the work of incubating the eggs and raising the young. Baby peafowl, called peacheks, stay close to their mother after hatching. Peacheks already have small feathers when they are born. Flying ability. Despite their large size and heavy train, peafowl cannot fly long distances. They only fly for short bursts to escape danger or to roost in trees. They prefer to walk and run on the ground most of the time. Indian significance. In Hinduism, the peacock is the Vahana, vehicle of Lord Murugan, Karthikeya. Lord Krishna is often depicted wearing a peacock feather on his head. Many believe that having a peacock feather in the home brings good luck and prosperity. The peacock figure has been featured in ancient coins, sculptures, and paintings across India. Stop, protection, and law. Hunting the Indian peafowl is strictly prohibited under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. While they are not considered endangered, their numbers are declining in some areas due to habitat loss. Peacock feathers are only legally collected after they naturally fall out. It is also illegal to keep a peacock as a pet in India. Plus, more interesting facts. The male peacock sheds its entire tail train every year after mating season, and it regrows fully for the next season. Even without a peahen around, peacocks sometimes randomly display their tails for no apparent reason. White peacocks also exist. This is due to a genetic mutation called leucism. A peacock's legs are sturdy but sometimes considered unattractive compared to its beautiful tail. The small white patches around their eyes help peacocks to see better at night.